faculty and staff of IHA, esteemed guests, parents, and most importantly, our handsome and gorgeous students. Maayong gabi na natin kanan. Good evening! Few days ago, I had a conversation with my classmates in high school. And what struck me most in our conversation was when she said, "Pats, wala na ba'y seryoso na laki karon? Mga laki na nakabinhi, inood ba ron?" Yes. Iyon siya, and she added, "Sige manaman ko nila ang binuangan. Sa'yo na tayo sila huwag na I love you. Pero di ay aking karantanan." Tinood ba? Sisters and brothers of the Lord, Immaculate Heart Academy is more than just a place of learning. It is a sanctuary where faith and education intertwine, nurturing not only the minds, but also the hearts of our students. We believe that every student is going to be a shining star. Again, we believe that every student is going to be a shining star, a beacon of hope and love, guiding those around them closer to God. Just as stars illuminate the night sky, your life, fueled by God's love, has the power to inspire and uplift others. Usbod po, ang pagkakusa at tunay kapasidad sa pag-iyak has the capacity to guide each one closer to God. Pusang iyaki ang pagkakusa na matuon sa Diyos. Nauna pakaingon sila after experiencing your love. I see Jesus in you. And so tell that person next to you right now, I see Jesus in you. Nakita niyo ba ni Diyos Kristo sa iyong tapat? Nakita mo ba? I hope so. Tonight, I want to talk about love. Specifically, the Christian understanding of love and why it deserves our utmost importance. What is our understanding sa gumba of love? Because nowadays, it's so easy to say, I love you, but we are not sincere of what we are saying. And so, let me talk about the Christian understanding of love and why it deserves our utmost importance. I do have 3 points that I want you to remember in this gathering. And the first point is this: love is a divine gift. What is the first point? In the first letter of John, it says, "Whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love." This profound truth reminds us that love is not just an emotion, it is the essence of who God is. If you are sharing God's love, it means that you are the messenger of God's love. In our Filipino culture, we often express love through our actions, through caring for our families, nurturing friendships, and supporting one another. This love, rooted in the first letter of Paul to the Corinthians, we learn that love is patient, love is kind, and does not envy. These qualities require intentionality and commitment. It's easy to feel love when everything is going well, but true love shines through during difficult times. So as we navigate our relationships, whether with friends, family, or future partners, let us choose to love actively. Na dili lang karon katulad kay gwapa pa ang imong kuya, o ikaw na I love you. But hopefully every day, because love is a choice. And so not just today, but every day, tell that person you love, I love you. This means, friends, being patient with one another, forgiving mistakes, and putting in the effort to nurture our connections. Remember, love is a daily decision we make, and it has the power to transform our lives and those around us. And the last one is this: love is best expressed through service. Jesus commands us to love one another as He has loved us. This love is not self-serving. It calls us to reach out and serve others, especially those in need. So let's embrace this spirit tonight and beyond. Finding ways to serve our community, our school, and each other. By doing so, we manifest the true meaning of love, showing that it is about giving rather than receiving. In conclusion, let us remember the importance of love in every aspect of our lives. So again, what are the 3 points? First, love is a divine gift. Second, love is a choice. And third, oh, very good, children. Dear students, follow the example of Iha. Embrace your role as a star in this world. Shine brightly and let your light guide others on their journeys. You